Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover, Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Firenze Red. Let's start our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead, along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, we'll see further features, all a courtesy of the R-Dynamic exterior pack, such as your bronze and black bonnet louvers, your black wing mirrors as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. As we now open the power tailgate, which can also be done via a press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space, which is perfect for a canine companion or even a set of golf clubs. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony grey leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Let's take a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, where you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, sat-nav and your speedometer. Advancing out over to your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. Glimpsing down now to your further climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences, as well as heated seat functions. You'll also be able to access further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems from easy access use to these dials. Lastly, we look up to find your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover, Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership.